Drank away the rest of the day. Wonder what
Good morning, it's Monday. Just smashed a really good session. Oh, it's that time. It's my last week training at Pure Gym here at the fort. Quite emotional. Checked in this morning just with myself because Ron's away on his honeymoon. I'm feeling so much better than I was last week. I feel like the worst has passed and so many huge stresses have lifted. Until we actually have our keys, I won't believe that we're actually moving. But everything should go nice and smooth. Let's hope. I made a huge dent with packing yesterday, which was great. Really satisfying. Teamwork, which is great. And just excited, nervous, exhausted. I don't even know how I feel. All the emotions. Anyway, let's get this week done. Monday. Ticked off. Good morning, it's Wednesday. It's not as early as it usually is. It's 5:30 because my gym's opening times just changed yesterday. Thankfully, on the week that I'm moving. So yeah, just making a coffee and then away to cardio and then straight from there to work rather than coming back home, showering and then going to work, which is a bit shit, but yeah, anyway, coffee time. I swear at this point it's like no line of sleep can really make me feel recovered. I'm just like so sleepy. So today I assume here but when we get our house keys tomorrow, and it's just like until we actually get that confirmation I'm not gonna believe it's actually happening. So just gotta wait. Don't think I brought enough food with me to work today. What the fuck? So it's Wednesday evening, just sitting here to have my dinner, do some work before I switch off and finish the last of packing when Jack arrives, but everything seems to have gone through with the solicitor. Basically, we just have to wait around tomorrow for them to let us know what time we'll be getting the keys, and that will be us. I am beyond exhausted. I can't even describe how tired I feel right now. But we're nearly there. Fuck. Fuck. So this morning did not go to plan. I started yelling. Hit a PB. Top set, 95 kilos. I failed on the 6th rep. Felt amazing. So happy, so chuffed. I was like, yes, let's go. I felt a bit like tired, but not super tired when going in. But anyway, on my back offset, my lower back went on the 7th rep. Had to drop the bar. I was like, I don't think I can move. So yeah, fucked it. Stretch, got a nice pack, feel better, I can walk, but probably not gonna be able to train for the remainder of the week, which is fucking shit. Especially considering we're moving. Good job, Clara. Good one. Friday and moving day today. Everything's pretty much in here. Fuck. We're home, guys. Oh, Jesus Christ. I think it's gonna feel real tonight when we get to sleep in our new house. But yeah, this is the absolute chaos. Fuck. Hope this angle is okay. Anyway, hi everyone. So it is Sunday evening of like what has absolutely been a mad week. I'm so tired, as you can see. This vlog is just gonna be a bit different. I had recorded snippets from across the week and everything, but just given, well, it's Sunday evening, I've not edited it, I've not put it together, really, like not that much has happened. It's been a good week in terms of training until I then went and fucked my back when I was deadlifting on Thursday, which meant I didn't train, like this was my first exercise, so I didn't train Thursday or Friday. Was due to train full body today, but I trained upper, which was good because obviously it's recovered. It was literally just like a spasm that I felt. Didn't like push myself. I mean, I did train hard, but there were certain moves that I was like, right, maybe like leaving 1 or 2 reps in reserve is probably a smart idea. But yeah, we moved into our new home. still tons of boxes, still a bit mental. Eventually I will obviously like set everything up, and this like vlogs will be a bit more coordinated and more coherent. But yeah, just thought I'd record a quick video, obviously given the situation. So yesterday, Nicola Sturgeon announced a 3-week lockdown in Scotland as of Boxing Day, which was absolutely devastating. I was so upset for the whole evening. I was crying. I don't even know like what upset me the most. It was just like I just didn't expect it. I know it's preventative. I know that in the long term, you know, like if it's for the better, like it's for the better. You know, at this point I don't even fucking know what the hell to believe. But knowing that I won't be able to train, that my clients won't be able to train, like I know it sounds so minute to some people, but it genuinely, like it just means a lot. So I'm absolutely devastated. But like with everything, I mean, fucking hell, one thing this year's taught us is that we are way more resilient than we maybe think we are. And you know, knowing that 3-week lockdown will just have that time cap on it, hopefully provide some degree of comfort to all of us. I'm just trying to look at the positives. I'll Pilates the fuck out of my mind. You know, we'll have a chance to decorate the house because, you know, IKEA's open, but the gyms are fucking shut. But anyway, that's a debate for another day. Yeah, the main thing I wanted to come onto this vlog and say is, you know, to make sure that you don't, that you have a sad moment like I did yesterday, but that you don't let yourself marinate in it for too long. At the end of the day, these things are out with our control. And the things that we're being advised to do, which are in our control, are to keep each other safe. Which, you know, it's painful. It's so fucking shit, man. Like, it's so shit. I won't get to see my family over Christmas either. I don't know when the fuck I'm gonna get to see my parents again, or my brother, as a matter of fact. So it's so shit. But you know, at the end of the day, if anything, this year has given us is a realization of what's actually important, and realizing that full stop is a blessing in and of itself. So I'm just trying to work on that myself, and focus on what I'm grateful for, focus on the things that I appreciate, many of those being, you know, my support circle, my inner circle, the people that are closest to me, but also my clients, which I have the privilege of working with week in, week out. To all of them, anyone who has worked with me this year, who's maybe no longer with me, anyone who's looking to jump on board, or anyone who's currently working with me, if you're watching this, honestly, thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's been a mental year, but so much of it would not have been possible without the confidence and support that I get from the people who watch me do what I do, and who give me confidence in my ability to do that. And I hope it doesn't sound like too self-indulgent for me to reflect that back, but I'm genuinely so fucking grateful every single day to call coaching a job. It just means a fucking world. So yeah, so big changes. Obviously this week will be last week training for 3 weeks in a gym, that is. Obviously the game doesn't stop. It is what it is. Every one of my clients will have a home workout plan by Boxing Day. You know, we continue to give it the beans. You know, it might not be the hot fucking spicy chili beans if we've got a couple of bands and some dumbbells, but for 3 fucking weeks we just keep going. And that's what this year's taught us. Again, it's just one fucking foot in front of the other, and it's hurdle after hurdle, and I swear to God, I'm as sick of it as anybody else. And I've been so lucky that in many ways it's not affected things like my work and whatnot, but it's honestly the despair I feel for other people who have, I just know how much the gym means to so many of us for our mental health, our physical health. And yeah, I mean, I'll probably still cry about it a few times. I'll probably cry during my home workouts. But I'm with you on this. It's shit. There's really nothing else to say other than really just stay strong. I put up a post tonight on Instagram in terms of looking at things as a challenge or as a threat, and that's what I'm definitely going to encourage myself to do, and I'm going to encourage you also, if you're watching this, to do, is approach it as a challenge, just another one, you know, because 2020 hasn't taught us enough. We don't need another fucking challenge, but hey, here it is. So approach it as a challenge, look at it in ways that you can use almost as a positive. finding a positive in the middle of all this. I know it's hard, and I don't mean to dismiss the pain by any means, but you know, trying to look for ways in which perhaps this isn't as hard, or it always could be worse. We could lose more loved ones. We could be in another prolonged, extended lockdown for God knows how long. We could not have hope off the back of a vaccine. You know, focusing on things that we can control and things that we've learned throughout this year that can help us move forward from here now. Being grateful for the things that we have, and also just accepting that, like anything in life, it's just out with our control. It really is what the government decides to do or doesn't do. We just can't do much about that. I'm afraid, but what we can choose to do is look for support amongst the people that are closest to us, ask for support if we need it, take care of ourselves, take care of our mental health, take care of our physical health in whatever shape or form. Not having a gym, it sucks. We all like lifting heavy, we all like giving it the fucking beans. But you know, it's back to fucking birthdays, isn't it? Oh, for fuck's sake. Yeah, it's shit, man. I'm still digesting it, don't get me wrong. I'll come up and down, and I'll come up and down, and some moments it feels good, other moments it feels like fucking shit, and I just want to, I don't know, throw something against the wall. But on that note, what I'll do instead is I'll train fucking hard this week, all up to Christmas Eve, do my best, and then just fucking, you know, eat my feelings. I'm kidding. Enjoy whatever this crazy year's brought us. I'll think my main focus for this new lockdown is just going to be to drive a load, drive tons, get the house decorated, and also just reflect on what a fucking crazy year it's been, man, because I've certainly never been pushed this way. So yeah, so on that note, raw, unfiltered, hopefully next week's vlog is a bit more cheery. But again, I just don't fucking know what I'll be doing, because obviously Christmas and holidays, and the school needs a break. I'm exhausted. I'm fucking exhausted. But anyway, on that note, next vlog will be post-Christmas. So however you choose to celebrate it this year, please make sure that you spend time loving yourself, spend time being kind to yourself, kind to others. You know, be compassionate. Understand that everything that you felt this year is completely valid and it's totally okay. And if you're worried about food, how to approach food, I certainly recommend you listen to Martin McDonald's podcasts. He talks a lot about the same approach that I've encouraged all my clients to take, which is taking an approach of fuck, the word escapes me now, this is how tired I am. An unconditional, that's it, unconditional permission to eat everything, which doesn't mean unconditional permission to eat anything, which doesn't mean permission to eat everything, in the sense that making that choice from a place of self-love and self-compassion as opposed to guilt and shame should help you enjoy the Christmas period far more, be more mindful around food, and eat to a place that you feel content with, whatever that looks like for you. But yeah, I need a meal prep and get my shit together for tomorrow. New gym and all that. I'll be training at level 10 in Midlothian, so massive shout out to them. But yeah, fuck, I'm so tired, but let's go, guys. We'll get through this together, as per always. We did it last time, didn't we? Focus on what you can learn from last time, apply it, and let's go give it the beans. Let's just do it. Have a wonderful, wonderful holiday if you celebrate Christmas, or if you don't, however you choose to spend the next week. And I'll catch everybody in next week's vlog, or next vlog should I say. Thank you so much for watching.